Today discussed was topic is CJP spokesperson asked if he will seek Punjab Education Minister resignation. He responds, after Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation, CJP spokesperson Saurabh Das was asked during the TV interview whether CJP would now seek the resignation of Punjab Education Minister over alleged paper leak. There, we told Punjab's CM Bhagwant Mann also, and will say here also, that any education minister of any political party who is failing their job must be held accountable, he said. CGP Cockroach Janata Party take over.